day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest.
So what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jane Frances Ezunye, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this very colorful knotless braid with curly ends. Guys, this is very exciting, and if you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate if you click that subscribe button and join the family. Give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it at the end. Let's get into it. So as you can see, these are the shades that I'll be blending together for this style. Now I wanted a lighter shade of pink, hence the reason I am blending these two colors together. So I blend this until I get the perfect light shade of pink. Yeah. So I already did the rows at the back. So for the front section, I start by parting my hair into two equal halves, getting that perfect center part. So once I'm done with that, I start making the rows at the front. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I like to part my entire hair, or at least part them into rows before I start braiding. Yeah. So I think I have seven rows on each section, and it was after counting this entire thing that I was like, yo, I've set myself up for long hours of braiding, because I don't think I have done something quite tiny in a long time. But I took comfort in the fact that this is just some short braids. I'm not braiding it all the way to the end. So yeah. So I started with the very bottom row. I ended up having 3 individual sections for that. So I just go ahead and start with the knotless braids. Guys, I really don't know how to explain this method of doing my knotless braids, but just watch the video, you are going to understand that. So once I braid past my natural hair, I take out this tiny piece of hair like so, tie a knot about 2 to 3 times to secure the braid. Like I said in the very beginning, we are not braiding this to the end. So I'm just gonna let you watch the video, and yeah. Now, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, or you're stopping by for the very first time, I'd really appreciate if you click that subscribe button and join the family. Turn on your post notification bell to be the first to get alerts or notifications of my video every single time I upload a brand new one. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below for questions and recommendation, and thank you guys so far for the support. I really appreciate. So this is the way that I do my knotless braids in the front. It's different from the way that I do it at the back. This is most convenient for me once I get to the front section. So yeah, and in the end, what matters is you get like this perfect knotless braids without a knot or bulks and all of that. So it doesn't really matter how you do it. If you already have a method, by all means, just keep that. This is just the most convenient way for me to do it at the front. So yeah. So once I was done with the entire braid, I brush the ends thoroughly, and I take this blade to trim off some part of this hair, the front section. I was going for this asymmetrical look. Is that what it's called? I just trim it. The first one I trim is going to be shorter than the next one I trim. I kept doing it like that until I have done just a very little section in front on both sides that I did. So yeah. Now, once I was done with the trimming, I, took some amount of hair together like so, brushed them thoroughly, and straightened that with a flat iron on a low heat setting. Remember the low heat because this is Kanekalon braiding hair. Now, once I have passed this through a few times and it's silky smooth, I curl that with my flexi rod. Now, for the kind of curls that I was going for, I had to wrap this flat around the flexi rod. Guys, if you want another kind of curl, you can twist and turn, you can do anything, but this is exactly the kind of curls that I was going for. So I had to wrap this really flat around the flexi rod, and once I get to the end, I just bend the rod over to secure the curls. So this is what it looks like once I was done with curling, and I just go ahead and dip this in some hot water with conditioner, and yeah. So this is what it looks like, dipped in the hot water, still damp, just towel dried, and I'm just taking out the flexi rod while it's still damp. I love to do this when the hair is still damp, not dripping wet, but just damp. So yeah. Now, once I was done, I started separating the curls like so. This really feels smooth and tangle free, like it was so easy for me to separate the curls. Now, once I was done, there is something that I did. I was going for this fluffy, full curly end. So what I did is I'm going to show you in a bit. I just take one piece of hair like that and separate it further into like 2 or 3 pieces, and guys, that made a whole lot of difference. So it made it look so full, so fluffy, and really nice. So yeah. So once I was done with the separating, I trim off some tiny pieces at the end, laid my edges, apply some mousse all over my hair, and we are done. And guys, this is the finished look. Like, take a look at this. This looks super pretty. You can tell me nothing. Like, Miss Pink hair is looking all cute and put together. Like, guys, this looks super beautiful. I love it. Now look at the back. See how full and fluffy and nice that looks. This is what I was talking about by further separating the curls into smaller pieces. If you have made it to this point, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on your post notification bell to be the first to get a lot of my videos. Share this with your friends and family, share it on your social media platforms, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Stay blessed, stay fabulous. Bye guys.